All right. Okay. Cool. I think we're live. Excellent. For those of you people that were just looking at that, I was just having a little chat with Will about his product itself. Now, for those of you who didn't see it, we were talking a little bit about the structure of the offer, the funnel itself, and he was saying like we could have something like extra, he's got a lead magnet, which is a free download PDF art file, right? Okay, that's fine. And he's saying that you could have also like a wooden frame for an extra cost. Well, when he says like, they're really expensive, believe me, people will spend money, right? People will. I've got a few examples of that. Is when I was running, and I still run one funnel which is designed to help people optimize their Facebook profiles, right? And the first part of the funnel was a $7 product, right? Simple PDF download, that's it. There you go, job done. There was an upsell on that, the order bump. But then going on to the next page, it then went from a $7 product to a $197 product. And I can tell you, I think the take rate on that was about 20%. Further down the funnel, there was another offer there, which was like $800. Right now, someone's gone in and started off with $7, and the last offer that they see is $800. Right? And did people buy? Yes, they did. Right? So you can't decide what's too expensive for someone else, because if they perceive value in it, they're going to get it. Now, when you're talking about framing and stuff like that, now from a personal experience, I remember a few years ago, we had a bunch of photos and we wanted them framed up, right? So we went into a professional place, and they framed it all up, and it cost me literally hundreds to have these things done. So, and they built a massive business just off framing photos, right? So do you think that anyone that walked into their store or show or anything like that suddenly started scratching their heads because it was like a couple of $100 just for this one frame? No, because they've already seen the value, they've already gone into there, and they're ready to purchase, right? And that's the mentality you've got to look at. Don't be disqualifying people just from your own opinion. Let the market tell you where it is. If someone's interested enough in a particular topic, they're going to come in and they're going to purchase, right? If you can then repackage that, and we are talking about literally repackaging, then it can work even better, because you can start off with like the poster itself. The next upsell will be a standard frame. The next upsell could be like a really nice, decent frame, right? And people are going to come through and say, oh yeah, for an extra this, I can upgrade to that one. I've already spent that, so it doesn't matter. I can just click the button, don't have to put my details in anymore. Job done. Brilliant, right? So that was the really point of just hopping on real live. I'm actually going through the day 3 notes right now, so expect that to come out in the group shortly. But that was the point of coming on today, just real quick, and saying that, yeah, if people are paying $100 or $56 for a poster, are they going to add an extra, are they going to add an extra $100 for the frame? Yeah, that you'll find they will. Anyway, that's it for now, and I'll catch up with you guys later.